Hi, this is Matt Benedict. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about domestic relations verified financial information form. A wise lawyer once told me that there is no winning a divorce. Rather, your client either survives it or does not. Now, we're not actually talking about literal survival here. With every divorce, both parties should expect to take some sort of financial hit. What will your client's financial health look like at the end of the divorce? Furthermore, if child custody is involved, the client's emotional well-being may take a severe hit. So what exactly am I talking about? In a divorce, the marital assets are split, and depending on how much debt the parties accumulated during the marriage, what the client looks like at the end of the divorce financially is important. The client is either going to have enough resources, income, or the like to survive, or they're going to struggle after their divorce. As for child custody, people grow accustomed to seeing their children every day. When there's a divorce with minor children, the court will have to fashion some sort of custody arrangement. That custody arrangement could very well be difficult for the client. People sense this reality and resort to the game of hide my money. In the past, if a party was hiding the money, the opposing lawyer had to flush it out with formal discovery, i.e. interrogatories, depositions, etc. Whatever it took, the opposing party had to find those assets. Formal discovery takes time and is very expensive. In 2020, the Michigan Supreme Court made two changes. First, attorneys are limited to the discovery requests they may make on the opposing party. The changes they made were limiting interrogatories to only 35 questions. Second, they initiated mandatory financial disclosures for each party. The CC 320 form is mandatory case discovery according to Michigan law. It has to be completed within 28 days. This form has built-in teeth, i.e. in the form of sanctions. Failure to complete the form may result in the following undesirable outcomes. A. Failure to complete this form will leave a poor initial impression upon the judge or referee. What this does is it creates a credibility issue for the client. If the client won't complete the mandatory discovery forms and requests, what's this say about the credibility of the client? Will the client comply with a custody order and follow all the rules in place for child custody? Probably not. B. If the CC 320 is not completed, the opposing party may file a motion to compel discovery. If this motion is successful, the court will award sanctions and may award reasonable attorney fees. Clients don't appreciate what this means. The client has to pay their lawyer to defend against a motion to compel. If they lose, the same client has to pay the bill for your ex's lawyer too. Congratulations, you just hit the double bonus of pain. All of it self-imposed. In addition to sanctions and paying reasonable attorney fees for a motion to compel, if the discovery games continue, the court may very well enter a default against the party. If this happens, the client has won the Total Idiot Award. So let's take a look at the form. Google search SCAO CC 320. Here's the form. You can see that there's a lot of information that's contained in this form. What's important for the client to realize is that they have these notes where they're required to attach various things: income tax records, pay stubs, business tax records. It's important for people to realize that this form is mandatory discovery, which includes mandatory requests for documents. So it's not a simple fill in the blank kind of form. It's going to take some work to get all this done. Now this personal property section, it's not good enough to just fill up all the lines and say, okay, I'm done. The form wouldn't let me put any more on there. You're obligated to attach additional sheets and supplements. There you have it, 7 pages of financial related questions and document discovery, which the client is mandated to complete. Otherwise, they can face sanctions, reasonable attorney fees, and if it progresses, they can actually end their case in a default filed against them. I tell my clients that it's going to take them 5 to 15 hours to complete CC 320. There's really no way to get around this. They're going to have to sit down and do the work. They may have to even include other professionals, like accountants. And the last little bit of advice I have for people watching this video, if you are a party to a divorce and you complete CC 320 and the other party doesn't, order your attorney to file a motion to compel and ask for attorney fees. Don't let your attorney neglect to fight for CC 320. Don't do all that work and then allow the opposing party, your ex, to blow it off, for lack of a better word. It's okay for you to instruct your attorney that you want them to be aggressive. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I will put a link to my website in the video description. Thanks again.